Oxygenated blood. Definition: blood is a bodily fluid in animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Oxygen transport. About 98.5% of the oxygen in an example of arterial blood inhaled human breathing air at sea level pressure is chemically combined with the hemoglobin. Oxygen transport. The hemoglobin molecule is the primary transporter of oxygen in mammals and many other species. For exceptions, see below. Oxygen transport. Increased oxygen consumption during sustained exercise reduces the oxygen saturation of venous blood, which can reach less than 15% in a trained athlete. Carbon dioxide transport. CO2 is carried in blood in three different ways. Carbon dioxide transport hemoglobin, the main oxygen-carrying molecule in red blood cells. Some oxyhemoglobin lose oxygen and becomes desoxyhemoglobin. Desoxyhemoglobin binds most of the hydrogen ions as it has a much greater affinity for more hydrogen. Fetus receiving oxygen via the placenta is exposed to much lower oxygen pressure, about 21% of the level found in an adult's lungs.
Oxygenated blood. Oxygen-rich content blood flows from lungs. Then it reaches in wall upper left chamber of heart, called as left atrium or left auricle. Left auricle or left atrium relaxes when it is collecting the blood. Then the left atrium contracts and left ventricle expands so that blood is transferred to the left ventricle. When muscular left ventricle contracts, blood is pumped out of the body.
The circulatory system, consisting of the heart, arteries, capillaries, and veins, is the pumping mechanism that transports blood throughout the body. In the heart, the left ventricle contracts, pushing red blood cells into the aorta, the body's largest artery. From here, blood moves through a series of increasingly smaller arteries until it reaches a capillary, the junction between arteries and veins. Here, oxygen molecules detach from the red blood cells and slip across the capillary wall into body tissue. Now deoxygenated, blood begins its return to the heart. It passes through increasingly larger veins to eventually reach the right atrium. It enters the right ventricle, which pumps it through the pulmonary arteries into the lungs to pick up more oxygen. Oxygenated, blood re-enters the left atrium, moves into the left ventricle, and the blood's journey begins again.
Thank you.